Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Channel. Today we are discussing how much space is needed for a refrigerator. A refrigerator is a serious investment. After all, you don't buy it very often and intend to use every single day, at least for the upcoming 10 years. Still, there is a huge variation in the size of the refrigerator. Getting the wrong one will get you into certain risk, as it will not fit in with your existing front door or opening in your kitchen. A major consideration is the refrigerator space requirement for proper ventilation of the compressor around the unit. That's why it's essential to know your space requirements that perfectly suit your home when buying a refrigerator. Refrigerators are not something that we buy regularly. Neither they are something you can buy on the run and get back before finding the right match. Invest your time in some research regarding the size and space of the refrigerator so that you will be able to make a wise decision at the time of buying one for yourself. Types of refrigerator. When searching for appliances, you will need to consider both the size and the type of refrigerator. There are some large space refrigerators and some small scale refrigerators with their average size. Since these sizes are just averages, you will also need to look at the dimensions for the particular refrigerator that you are interested in when making buying decisions. Top freezer refrigerators. The traditional or classic refrigerators have been an important part of the kitchen for decades with the primary compartment, which is at the bottom and takes up around 2/3 of the space. The freezer is taking up around 1/3 of the space at the upper portion. They have big shelves and seem to be the most compact of all forms of refrigerators. This large space refrigerator style is one of the most economical options, making it the perfect budget price. It is also available in a wide range of sizes to suit large and small kitchens. You can get Frigidaire Gallery when you are buying a home for the first time, and your budget is likely to be as compact as your kitchen. This refrigerator is more energy efficient and budget friendly option you can get for your kitchen. The average size of top freezer refrigerators: width 28 to 32, height 61 3/4 to 66 1/4. Bottom freezer refrigerators. The bottom freezer refrigerator is very famous for good reason. These models have a large storage area for both the freezer and the refrigerator section. It allows simple material accommodation in a range of width and sizes. Many people even enjoy the ease of getting a refrigerator section at eye level, making it much easier to locate what they need quickly. They are ideal for those who would like to have the main compartment at eye level. They are often more energy efficient as the main compartment lets the freezer retain its ice cold temperatures with much less energy consumption. Higher 320-liter refrigerator is ideal for U-shaped kitchen. If you want to keep yourself and your family healthy with a delicious food, bring this higher 320-liter refrigerator home. This essential kitchen appliance provides a veg box to store to keep various seasonal vegetables and frozen food for a long time. The style and design of these refrigerators are ideal for U-shaped kitchens. Average sizes of bottom freezer refrigerator: width 29.5 to 32 3/4, height 67 to 70. Side-by-side refrigerators. If you are searching for a slim style side-by-side refrigerator model, offers a vertical freezer and a refrigerator that sits right next to each other. The slim profile reduces the range of the food that can be processed, and these models are not as energy efficient as other popular refrigerator types. You can get many excellent refrigerators available on the market today. The Whirlpool 568 refrigerator is perfect for L-shaped kitchen, and this fridge is the ideal combination of exceptional performance and modern style. This refrigerator comes with various other features such as energy efficiency systems, ice makers, digital displays, and control force better comfort and convenience. Hisense 690-liter refrigerator is ideal for G-shaped kitchen. This large space refrigerator has become an demand appliance, particularly for people with plenty of kitchen space. These Hisense refrigerators come with a luxury glass door to complement your premium home decor. Average sizes of side-by-side refrigerators with 32 and 3 quarters to 39 and 3 quarters. Height 65 to 71. French door refrigerator. The French door refrigerator adds a new look to your kitchen. Not only does the freezer configuration mean huge blocks of storage space of a refrigerator, but also the ability to open only one refrigerator door at a time minimizes the leakage of cold air. Many models have a freezer style cabinet, but some have French doors in the freezer area too. French doors need a limited swing space, and just like regular bottom freezer models, there is a lot of flexibility to fit big objects. If you have gallery style kitchens, then you can get a Samsung RS2650D. This 36-inch Samsung is a top rated model, providing strong marks in all test categories. And if you are living with a family, then you can get a Samsung Family Hub refrigerator. This large space refrigerator has become an on-demand gadget, particularly for people who seem to have plenty of kitchen space and spend lots of time making food. It will also add an amiable and elegant look to your kitchen. Average sizes of French door refrigerators: width 29 to 36, height 68 to 70. How to measure space for a refrigerator? After knowing a little about the refrigerator size and styles, how will you find out which refrigerator space requirement is ideal for your home? It would be best if you did calculations or measurement for it. So get a measuring tape, pencil, sheet of paper and get to work. Step 1. Measure the width of the space. Figure out how much space you need to see from countertop to the wall, based on where your refrigerator will be. If your fridge has a wall on one side, make sure you leave 2 to 2.5 of free space so that you have space to open the door. Step 2. Measure the height of the space. There are possibilities that your ceilings are tall or large enough to fit the size of the refrigerator. Still, if you have got cabinets above the area where the refrigerator is going to be placed, then you will have to measure them. Start measuring them from the floor and continuing to the base of the cabinets. Step 3. Calculate the height or depth of countertop. Suppose you are going to have a countertop depth refrigerator or a regular depth refrigerator. In that case, you are always going to want to test your counter's depth to make sure the refrigerator matches appropriately. Points to keep in mind at the time of buying refrigerator. When you buy a refrigerator, you would want to make sure that it's the right fit for your lifestyle and has all the best features. You should bear in mind the below mentioned points at the time of buying refrigerators. Specific measurements. You have to begin by measuring the width, height and depth of the space in which the refrigerator is mounted. It's always wise to put extra time into the calculation so that you can have the exact measurements. Door swing. You should be aware of how much space you need to open the refrigerator door completely. Most refrigerators need to be opened at 90 degrees or more to allow full access. Check the basic installation specifications of the refrigerators we are looking at, since the space required for a door swing differs in style. The top freezer refrigerator needs a lot of capacity to be completely opened than the side-by-side refrigerator. Ventilation space. Always make sure that your refrigerator can breathe. Without adequate ventilation, the refrigerator can be harmed and more energy can be consumed. You will at least require 1 inch distance on the back and top. and a 1/4 inch ventilation distance gap on the side of the refrigerator so that refrigerator will not heat up instantly. And if there is no ventilation space, then your refrigerator can be damaged. So try to keep at least 1 inch distances on the back and top of the refrigerator. Space for moving refrigerator. The final places you need to measure before buying your new refrigerator are your doors, stairs, and everything else that the refrigerator could pump into. Nothing could be worse than purchasing your perfect refrigerator and not being able to place it through the front door. So space is also a significant factor at the time of buying refrigerator. Watch the above mentioned guide for more information on a wide range of refrigerators options available to choose from large space refrigerator to small scale refrigerators and how they can be used in your house. Take this consideration into account each time you search for a refrigerator so that you can select the right fridge for you and your family. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Product Channel.